this video, I will show you exactly how to access and master the Separate Ways expansion for the Resident Evil 4 remake. To start playing, you first need to purchase the DLC from your platform store because it is not included in the base version of the game. Once the content is installed, you can find the Separate Ways option directly on the main menu. When you begin your journey, you will notice that Ada plays very differently from Leon. Her signature tool is the grappling hook, which allows her to traverse the environment rapidly and close the gap for devastating melee finishers. Use the grapple to reach high ledges or pull yourself towards staggered enemies to maintain an aggressive flow in combat. Since Ada is faster but slightly more fragile than Leon, positioning is key to surviving the intense encounters ahead. You should focus on upgrading her specialized weapons early on, especially her unique tactical crossbow. As you navigate the familiar locations like the village and the castle, pay close attention to the new paths only Ada can take. Managing your resources is vital because ammo can be scarce in this shorter campaign. Follow these steps and you will be pulling off stylish moves in no time. Enjoy the mission.